listeners, welcome to Daily English Pulse. In today's video, you'll hear common English dialogues used in everyday situations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Improve your English listening skills with this simple and clear conversation practice. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. So let's begin the stories.
It's about Anna. Anna is going on a trip. She is going to New York. Today, she is at the airport. Let's follow Anna and listen to her day. Anna arrives at the airport in the morning. She takes a taxi from her house. The taxi driver helps her with her bag. Taxi driver, here we are. Have a good trip, Anna. Thank you very much. Anna walks into the airport. She looks around. There are many people. Some people are checking in. Some people are drinking coffee. Some are saying goodbye. Scene 2. Checking in. Anna walks to the check-in counter. She waits in line. After a few minutes, it is her turn. Airline staff. Good morning. Where are you flying today? Anna. Good morning. I am flying to New York. Here is my passport and ticket. Airline staff. Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in? Anna. Yes, I have one suitcase. Airline staff. Okay. Please place it on the scale. Your bag is under the weight limit. That's good. Here is your boarding pass. You will board at gate B12. Boarding starts at 10 a.m. Anna. Thank you. Have a nice day. Airline staff. You too. Have a safe flight. Anna smiles. She feels excited. She takes her passport and boarding pass. Now, it's time to go through security. Anna walks to the security area. There is a sign. Security check. Remove shoes and jackets. Security officer. Hello. Please put your bag on the belt. Take off your shoes and jacket. Put your phone and keys in the tray. Anna. Okay. No problem. Anna walks through the metal scanner. It beeps. Security officer. Please step to the side. I need to check something. The officer checks her jacket pocket. There is a small coin inside. Security officer. Ah, it was just a coin. You're all clear. You can go. Anna. Thank you. She puts on her shoes and picks up her things. Anna has some time before her flight. She walks through the airport. She sees a bookstore. She goes inside and buys a magazine. She also buys a bottle of water and a snack. Anna sits near her gate. She looks out the big window. She sees airplanes taking off. She hears announcements. Announcement over speaker. Flight 203 to New York will begin boarding at gate B12 in 15 minutes. Anna waits and reads her magazine. She feels a little nervous, but happy. Soon, people begin to line up. Airline staff. Now boarding rows 10 to 20 for Flight 203 to New York. Anna stands in line. She shows her boarding pass to the airline staff. Airline staff. Thank you. Your seat is 14A. Go straight down the aisle. It's on the left. Anna. Thanks. Anna walks onto the airplane. She finds her seat by the window. She puts her bag under the seat. She looks out the window and smiles. The flight attendants walk around. Flight attendant. Hello. Please fasten your seatbelt. Make sure your tray table is up. Anna follows the instructions. She hears the captain's voice. Captain. Good morning. This is your captain speaking. We are ready for takeoff. The flight to New York will take 6 hours. Please relax and enjoy your trip. The plane moves slowly. Then it goes faster and faster. Soon, it lifts off the ground. Anna looks out the window. The airport becomes small. The sky is blue. The clouds are white. After 1 hour, the flight attendants serve food and drinks. Flight attendant, would you like something to eat or drink? Anna, yes, I'll have orange juice and a sandwich, please. Flight attendant, here you go. Enjoy. Anna eats and listens to music. She also watches a movie. Then, she closes her eyes and takes a nap. After many hours, the captain speaks again. Captain, we are now landing in New York. Please fasten your seatbelt. The plane lands safely. Anna smiles. She is happy to be in New York. She walks through the airport, picks up her suitcase, and walks toward the exit. Anna had a good trip. Now, her adventure in New York can begin. What's one new word you learned today? Type it below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep improving your English listening skills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.